What's up, gang? So today we're going to use Claude 2. For many of you, you might not have access to it because this one is like the newest version, and in some countries it might not be available. So um, I'm gonna do it through VFitter because we built a platform where you can basically like build different models and just play with them. Built like on top of it, add APIs, many different connections. Like for example, let's say if you're using Cloud A, you're definitely interested in more tokens. So that means 100K tokens should be easy for you, like for a simple document processing. So you might get it with API, right? So we have different requests here. As you can see, this is like my main prompt. And then you could have many versions of the same prompt and like edit it. But here's the API part. So if I just enable this, I could then add APIs and like, let's say Google Sheets get documents. So all I need to do here is click on this icon. So it autofills with AI and it does it automatically. So you just have to replace the API key and then you're good to go. Yeah, so just like that, I could add multiple API calls and change the mode of the bot, add description. It's my usage panel. And yeah, if you want any special capabilities, you can always contact and like request for a demo because we have so many cool stuff to show you. These are like pre-built systems that you just have to replace your API key and then plug and play basically. And it's super smart. So automate everything. And now with Cloud A2, it's just weirdly awesome because now it's actually like better than ChatGPT in many different ways. We're testing it still, some issues with like coding, but what's perfect is that it can process many tokens. And this is like their biggest flex, right? So go to vfitter.com/AI, build your free account, and then test it out. Take care.